Hi, welcome to Tone Clone. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up a new tone. First, you need to make sure you have equipment in your account. So we go to the Your Equipment list here, and you can click Edit, and it'll bring you up a list of your equipment. We don't have any equipment in our account yet, so we need to add some. So first I'm going to add a guitar. Select the guitar and click Add. And then you're going to select the manufacturer. I'm going to go with the Fender and Eric Clapton. So I can also put in a description for this, and I'm going to call this my Red Strat. Okay, then I click Submit, and that equipment has been added to my account there. You do this for all of your equipment. For an amplifier, I have a Mesa Boogie, and I have a Blue Angel, and I'm just going to call this my Mesa. Okay, and then I'm going to add an effect, and you do this for all your equipment. So I have a Boss and the DS1 Distortion. I'm going to call it Orange Distortion. You can name it whatever you want, whatever helps you to remember what it is or what nickname you have for it. Now, if you go to add equipment and it isn't there, you can always add it to the list, and then you would fill in the manufacturer, model, description, and then select the number of controls and the number of custom drop-downs. Watch our video for how to set up a new effect or guitar on the other videos. Okay, now that I've added enough equipment to my account, I'm going to set up a new tone. To do that, I go up to Your Tone Setups and click Create New. Here you'll see it loads up all the equipment that you have, the amps and the effects. So the first thing I'm going to do is select the guitar that I'm using, and it's the Eric Clapton. And then I can set the tone knobs and the volume knob to however I have it on the guitar. I can also select which pickup I'm using, and I'm using the neck pickup for this. I then want to add an amplifier, and I'm going to add my Mesa Boogie Blue Angel here, and you can scroll down here to see that. And I'm going to set up the controls for that. I have the volume at 9 o'clock, and I'm going to set my treble up, and it's kind of low at 9, and then the bass is at 3. Okay, and I also have reverb on this, but it's pretty low. That's 7. Okay, so then I select the setting that I have it on Fat, and I have it on Simulink. So I've set up my amplifier there, and then what I want to do is set up an effect. If I have an effect in this setup. So I'm going to add the distortion. I have that at 3. I have the level at 3 as well. And I have the tone all the way down at 7. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to name your tone. So you click the Edit Name here, and I'm going to call this my rock tone. And I'm going to click the Save, and that'll save the new name. I can decide whether I want to share it. That means other users will be able to see it on the shared settings. I'm going to share this tone, and then I click Save. The tone has now been saved, and I can call it up whenever I want to. And there it is. I can also always edit it, delete it, or duplicate it if I want to change some minor settings for a different sound.